So we are turning on my Kindle Fire right now, and what we're gonna do today is play a cupcake cooking game. So yeah, got it turned on. So this is the game we're gonna play by Bear Hug Media, cupcake cooking game. Its 10th anniversary is today. Let's choose a flavor, vanilla. Let's put all the ingredients in. So now we are going to add a cupcake, holders, things. Green one. So the blue, the green, the yellow, and the pink. Good. Now let's cook them. Wait, we can't open it yet. Okay, so now we can choose a cupcake to eat. Let's eat this one because it's like the first one. So now we are going to add some frosting on it. I don't know, think maybe this stuff looks delicious. Let's add some sprinkles or something. Sprinkles. There, we can, these jelly beanish looking things, like dots. I don't know what they are, but so we can put another one. This game came out when I was 2 years old. And yeah. Here's the jelly beans. These are what jelly beans actually are. So we can just put them on. So there, and now we can put on fruit for toppings. So we can put on strawberry, blueberry, that looks delicious, cherry, this looks delicious, guys. So I think this is good. I don't know what it's not a low battery, so we can eat it. Okay, good. So now we can start over again. Are you sure you want to delete this cupcake and make another? I think I'm going to say yes. So these are logs, and you can now make a chocolate cupcake. There. Now, and scroll down. How do you scroll down? For some reason, I think it glitched. Have to add 2 blue cupcakes instead. Okay, so let's put this in. We're just gonna do all the flavors that are unlocked. Let's do the blue cupcake because we have 2 of them. Wait, no, blue cupcake. Come on. It's this cupcake. Oh, okay. Go now. Oh, I tapped the wrong thing. Okay. So now, let's see here. Ooh, this looks good. It has cherry on it. Yum, yum, yummy. So now, we can, like, take a picture. We can add some delicious candies onto it. Like, yum, yum, yummy. We can add some sprinkles. You can make this cupcake be the most delicious looking cupcake you've ever seen, pretty much. So we can go into the fruits, like cherries. It has cherry on it, but I think that we should add some extra cherries because cherries are delicious. Okay. Now we can save the cupcake. Save the picture. Your cupcake has been saved in the album. Forgot to save the other one, but it's okay. Eat it. Close this. There. It's eaten. Okay, now, yes. So now we can make a red velvet cupcake. Now let's mix it up together. Okay. So now you can make a cupcake. For some reason, it's not letting me scroll down. Oh, green. Let's add this cupcake. Ooh, pink polka dotted. Like, maybe I'll have that. Wait. Let's add some, like, it stopped. Let's get back to where we were. Okay, guys, so I'm back to where we were, and this is what I wanted to put in. So put this in. Now let's put them in. Okay, guys, so let's just eat this one because it's first. Wait. So let's add some frosting. Let's add that, and let's add some sprinkles to it. Yum, yum, yummy. Okay. You can add some cherry, blueberry, strawberry, avocado, raspberry. Yeah, there's so much flavor. So we can just go to the backgrounds because I think we should change the background for this one. So here, we put it onto here, or here, or here. Yeah, we can just change the background to whatever background on here we want. Except the lock ones, you have to pay your money to. So this is what it looks like, but I'm not going to pay for them. See, so these are all the locked backgrounds. But anyways, I think we are just going to use this background. Now eat it. Wait, I forgot to save it. That's okay. It's on the video. So So me and my brother used to like to play this game, like when we were like 5. So yeah, this game was released 10 years ago today, exactly 10 years ago today. So yeah, happy 10th anniversary Cupcake cooking game by Bear Hug Media. So yeah, bye guys.